Hello बच्चों, the question says here a thermodynamic system is taken from the state A to the state B. यहाँ पे एक thermodynamic system दिया गया है और PV ग्राफ दिया है. स्टेट A से स्टेट B तक उसको लेके गया है using a path ACB and is brought back to the point A again with the path BDA as shown in the PV diagram. हमें यहाँ पे PV diagram में एक A से लेके B लेके गया है, right? B से लेके D again return back, it took return back to the point A back. Then the net work done during the complete cycle is given by the area. Option A P1 AC, B P2 P1. Option B AC B B dash A dash A. Option C AC B D A. Option D A D B B dash A dash into A. That is यहाँ पे सबसे पहले यू नीड टू हाईलाइट द की कंसेप्ट. हमें वर्क डन फाइंड करना है इस साइकिल का, कंप्लीट साइकिल का. फॉर दिस यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द की कंसेप्ट हियर. The key concept is work done, that is work done during a complete cycle. It is a cycle, so is given by, ये जो work done होता है साइकिल में, work done during a complete cycle, during the complete cycle is given by area, given by the area enclosed by the curve or cycle, area enclosed by the curve or by the cycle. Now in this case, which is in this case, यहाँ पे ए सी बी डी, ये जो एरिया है, नाउ आई नीड टू हाईलाइट दिस एरिया. दिस area is work done here because ये cycle है A C B D A. this area, in this case A C B D A, this area, this enclosed area is the work done, is the case. A C B D A area is the work done. So the correct choice is here option C, ACBDA area. तो work done होगा यहाँ पे in the cycle during the complete cycle. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.